Hi everyone, it's the Canny Crafter and I am here with the final flip through. I know we've done a lot of flip throughs, but I just thought this video will be dedicated to the finished masterpiece. So I bound the journal with some brown waxed thread and I did the knot on the outside. I'm trying to get it in frame and in focus at the same time. It's a bit difficult because it's so big. And I found this little birdie charm and I thought that was really cute. So I just tied that there. I did end up adding a little Not All Who Wander Are Lost sticker. I went around the edges with some of the, I never remember what it's called, tea dye ink. I was going to say a tea stain, and I just sort of accented these pockets as well. I thought the back was a little bare. I did another sticker and just some stenciling again with that tea dye. Inside we have our pocket, and when I did one last flip through, I just added some more of these stickers. I just thought they were cute and they'd be like little prompts as well. And also on these pages here, I accented the edges with some of that tea dye as well, just to make them stand out a bit. So we have You Can Do Anything, Adventure Awaits You, and there is Beauty and Simplicity. I didn't realise there's two on there. Oh, can that peel off? No. Oh well, you get 2 for 1 on that page. Here another pocket, and I've added Use Your Wings there. The journey is the destination. I love how that peeps out there like that. And I love these bits of vellum, printed vellum. Again, another one, Be You Bravely. I love the base stamp. This page went in a little wonky, but I'm not going to stress about it. I just think it adds character. You know what I mean? We all know it's handmade. And I was still debating about putting things in the pockets, but I'm not going to. And I love this with the die cut negatives. I did think about just putting some of these in some random pockets. Some more postcards. But I like how bare it is. Ooh. Just found that on my desk. So again, just it's a bit of paste there. I don't know if I did that on camera or not. I know I added this because we only had one bird in there and that was at the front. As I was editing the video, I realised, so I quickly die cut that out and put it on there. Again, another sticker. Just the ink, so it stands out a bit. Another sticker, be open to whatever comes next. Well, that was the other thing. When I was going through, I realised you just could not see that the B on the green card, so I stamped it again and cutted it from gold. Now he stands out. I was like, why have I got just a blank circle there? Because even I couldn't see it. Again, I went around the inside of this circle with the tea dye ink, just because obviously the background paper was very much the same. And can I just again, we'll do this. Whee! Another sticker, Embrace the Journey. Get rid of that loose thread. Adventure is Worthwhile. And then we have this, which folds out like so. And then I just thought that was really bare, so Don't Forget to Fly. I thought that was perfect for there, and Today is Full of Possibilities there. So yes, that is just the Naked Junk Journal, mainly made from packing material. So I mean, this is cost pittance to me. I mean, it was all stuff I already had. But literally just goes to show, if you just collect some packing material. And I didn't use that much. I was yesterday, after I bound this, I put away everything that was in the project box. And there was still so much packing material. I think we could probably make another 5 journals. And that's not an exaggeration. Just, yeah. So I think this is what we can call a true junk journal, because this was stuff that would have been thrown away. I mean, I know how the little accents of the postcards and stuff, but again, they were pennies from a car boot sale, so yep. Love it, love how this turned out. I love the stitching in it. I'm definitely going to include more stitching in my journals. I think I might even try some hand stitching. I know I've seen Barbara at 49 Dragonflies do that a lot. And I just think it's cute. And you can add stuff for journaling, you can play with the pages. And it's quite big. I mean, this measures, let's see, do you want it in centimetres or inches? Because I work in centimetres. So it's approximately 28 centimetres tall by 18.5 wide. So you can see by my hand, and the fact that it does not fit in the frame. But it's just so tactile as well. I mean, it's crunchy. You've got this modelling paste on the front. You've got all the different textures inside. I mean, I just sit and I flip through it because I love the sound it makes. Should we just do an ASMR video of me flipping through this journal? Because I would do it quite happily over and over again. So I'm not quite sure what this journal's destiny is going to be. I'm very tempted to keep it myself, but I can't keep everything. Then I know my sister would appreciate it, but I have just given her the Alice in Wonderland journal. So I don't know. Let's just hold on to it for a little bit and then we can decide. So I hope you've enjoyed the series. I think I am now going to deviate from junk journals to just some general crafting. I think it's getting to Halloween and I have been on Pinterest and I have been inspired, and I'm so excited for places like the Pound Shop and B&M's getting Halloween stuff in and seeing what we can make. So don't hold us to that, because it depends on when I can get to the shops to get the stuff. And then when I have time to make the videos to get them uploaded, I will try my best. I do know I have one video, just one so far, using some of last year's Halloween stock, so keep your eyes peeled for that. That's another thing, this journal is very autumnal with the browns and stuff, isn't it? I mean, we're coming into autumn, it's the perfect time of year for it, just in the fallen leaves and whatnot. So yes. So, keep your eyes open for something other than junk journaling. There will still be junk journaling. I love it. I just love playing with paper. It's amazing. So again, I'm just throwing it, caressing my journal because it's so much fun. So. Should we leave you on a favourite page? I like that page. There's not much to it, it's very simple. Let's just leave you on that one. I just love that vellum. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.